Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that the wrong accessory can actually slow down your EV charging or even damage your equipment? In today's video, we're diving into the top best electric car accessories you can snag on Amazon that not only make your EV life easier, but also safer and more efficient. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Let's kick things off. On number 6, the VIPTOO Tesla to J1772 adapter is a must-see for anyone who owns a non-Tesla EV but occasionally finds themselves near a Tesla charging station. This compact and lightweight adapter converts Tesla wall, mobile, or destination chargers into a J1772 interface, opening up a world of charging possibilities for non-Tesla vehicles. It supports up to 60 amps at 250 volts AC, which gives it a potential edge over competitors like the Lectron adapter, rated at 48 amps, meaning faster top-ups if your car and charger can handle it. The built-in LED indicator is a simple but brilliant touch, offering instant confirmation that your car is charging even in low light or public areas, while the press-lock design ensures a secure, worry-free connection. In real-life use, customers rave about the plug-and-go simplicity, portability with its soft pouch, and overall peace of mind. Compared to other adapters, VIP2's higher amperage and extra convenience features stand out, though it's important to note that it doesn't work with Tesla superchargers or DC fast charging networks. This is purely for Level 2 AC charging. Overall, for multi-EV households, frequent travelers, or anyone who occasionally parks near Tesla chargers, this adapter delivers excellent value, giving flexibility without the high price of a dedicated charger. What do you think about having access to Tesla chargers for your non-Tesla EV? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, the LZS TEC EV Charger Port Cover is a simple but essential accessory for anyone parking outdoors. This dual-sided cover, made with durable waterproof and UV-resistant fabric, protects your EV's charging port from rain, snow, ice, dust, and sun, while a dual magnetic strip attachment keeps it firmly in place on steel-bodied vehicles, stronger than many single-magnet competitors like Wolfcar. Its clever double-sided design offers silver reflective protection in summer and a sturdy canvas for winter weather, and the Velcro closure prevents moisture from seeping in when the cable is plugged. Real-world users report it keeps ports dry, ice-free, and ready to charge at a moment's notice. Compared to the VIP2 adapter, this isn't about faster charging. It's about protecting the hardware that allows charging to happen efficiently and safely. If your EV lives outside, the LZS TEC cover adds security and longevity to your port, making it an inexpensive yet valuable investment. Would you rather protect your charger from weather or just clean it up every winter? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, the Anina EV charger holder offers a neat solution to a common EV frustration: tangled cables and exposed plugs. Made from premium PA material, it's designed to handle standard SAE J1772 plugs, with a holster dock for the connector and a deep cable hook to cradle the cord safely. Unlike the simpler BougeRV or basic wall hooks, Anina's combination keeps both cable and plug protected, off the ground, and organized. Its waterproof edge cap prevents rain or dust from collecting in the connector, making it perfect for garages or semi-outdoor installations. Users love how it prevents wear, bending, and trip hazards while offering a tidy setup. Compared to the LZSTC port cover, it focuses less on environmental protection and more on cable management. But together, these two accessories complement each other beautifully. If you care about prolonging cable life and keeping your charging area neat, this holder is a clear winner. How important is cable organization for your setup? Let me know. On number 3, the Autel. The BougeRV EV charger holder is another practical wall-mounted organizer for SAEJ 1772 plugs. Combining a sturdy metal mounting plate with an ABS holster, it keeps your plug off the ground, coiling cables neatly and reducing tripping hazards. While simpler than the NEMA holder in terms of weatherproofing, it's very effective for indoor or garage setups and is budget-friendly. Compared to the NEMA, it's a more basic solution, but still superior to no holder at all. Installation is straightforward, though you'll need to drill into a wall, which may not suit renters. If you want a cost-effective way to tidy your home charging area without investing in a full system, BougeRV delivers solid value. Do you use wall holders, or do your cables just lie around? Let me know. Finally, on number 1, the CircleCord NEMA 1030p to 1450 REV charger. Adapter cord provides a clever workaround for using a standard 30-amp dryer outlet for level 2 EV charging. It's built with heavy-duty 10-gauge copper, a flame retardant, water and UV-resistant jacket, and ETL listing, making it a safe and convenient short-term solution. Compared to the VIP TOO adapter, which accesses Tesla chargers, CircleCord is all about getting more juice from existing home infrastructure without rewiring. Realistically, charging must be limited to approximately 24 amperes due to outlet constraints, so it won't match a proper 50-amp or 60-amp setup, but it's perfect for renters, older homes, or anyone wanting a budget-friendly way to get level 2 charging. Unlike the Autel or NEMA solutions, it prioritizes accessibility over speed or cable management. If you're in a pinch and need a practical, cost-effective adapter for your EV at home, this one delivers. Just be mindful of the safety limitations and plan to upgrade if you want long-term use. Would you use a dryer, outlet for EV charging, or go for a dedicated circuit? Share your thoughts below. So guys, that wraps up our roundup of the best electric car accessories you can buy right now. From clever adapters like VIP2 and CircleCord to protective covers like LZ Steck and cable organization solutions from NEMA and BougeRV to the powerhouse Autel MaxiCharger for fast home charging, each product serves a unique purpose and brings value to different scenarios. Which one would you add to your EV setup first? Drop a comment with your favorite, hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more EV tips and accessories. All the links are in the description, so go ahead and check them out. And keep your EV game strong.